Embracing simplicity. 10 ways to sustain a minimalist lifestyle. Minimalism is a lifestyle that focuses on simplicity, decluttering, and intentional living. While decluttering your possessions may be a challenging task, maintaining minimalism in the long run requires consistent effort and intentionality. In the next few minutes, we will discuss 10 practical tips to help you keep your life clutter-free and focused on the things that truly matter. Set clear boundaries. To maintain minimalism, it is essential to decide which items are necessary for your lifestyle and happiness. Set firm boundaries for what you allow into your space. This can be done numerically, such as limiting your wardrobe to 33 articles of clothing, or by creating physical boundaries within your home. Embrace empty spaces. Don't feel the need to fill every empty space in your home. Let the empty spaces serve as a reminder of the calm and peace that minimalism brings. Embracing empty spaces can help you appreciate the beauty of simplicity. Overcome consumerism. Find ideas to specifically overcome consumerism. Implement a 48-hour rule for non-essential purchases. Note down the item you desire and revisit it after 2 days to determine if it is truly necessary. Question every advertisement you see, identifying the need it claims to fill. Declutter as you go. Living means consuming, and things will inevitably collect in your home. Stay ahead of the clutter by decluttering as you go. Whenever a space starts to feel full, remove the unnecessary items before it becomes the norm. Buy experiences, not things. Minimalism doesn't mean you can never spend money again. Prioritize spending on experiences rather than material goods. Travel, attend concerts, and enjoy meals with loved ones. These experiences create memories and joy without cluttering your home. Start a gratitude journal. Appreciate what you already have by jotting down 3 things you're grateful for every day. Alternatively, list them out during times of meditation or prayer. Focusing on the good things you already have helps shift your mindset away from material possessions. Experiment with time-based challenges. Even if you feel satisfied with the progress you've made, continue to test living with less. Try living without a certain item or category of items for a set period, like 30 days. Challenging your assumptions will help you discover new ways of living and maintain minimalism in other areas of your life. Reflect. Regularly. Take time to reflect on why you chose minimalism and the benefits it has brought into your life. Regular reflection can help you stay motivated and committed to your minimalist lifestyle. Implement clutter-free habits. Embrace small daily routines to keep your environment clean and orderly. This might include making your bed every morning, cleaning up after every meal, or doing a quick decluttering sweep in the living room before bed. These habits will help you maintain a clutter-free space. Find consistent minimalist inspiration. Surrounding yourself with like-minded people provides motivation and encouragement. If you don't have friends or family inspiring you in this pursuit, look for inspiration online. Subscribe to newsletters or follow minimalist blogs and channels to receive regular inspiration and tips. Conclusion. Maintaining minimalism is an ongoing journey that requires conscious effort and intentionality. By setting clear boundaries, embracing empty spaces, overcoming consumerism, decluttering as you go, buying experiences instead of things, practicing gratitude, experimenting with time-based challenges, reflecting regularly, implementing clutter-free habits, and finding consistent minimalist inspiration, you can sustain a clutter-free and focused life. Remember, minimalism is not just a phase, but a brand new way of life that allows you to make the most of your experiences and relationships. To stay updated with more content like this, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Simple.